In this video, we will explore the highlight text question type in Schoology assessments. In this question type, you can ask students to highlight specific words, sentences, or paragraphs in a text. It will automatically grade their responses for you. This is not a full Kami replacement, as it can only work with text that you paste in. It will not work with PDFs, and there's no automatic screen reader. If you feel like you don't particularly need those features, this would be a good alternative to Kami. In this type of question, students are presented with some text. Depending on your settings, when they roll over words, paragraphs, or sentences, the area will highlight. If they believe that the highlighted text is the correct answer, they may click and select that as one of their answers. Once they've done that, they hit review. They may review it, or they can just hit finish. And that's it. This will be automatically graded for you. If you feel like you would like to use this type of feature in Schoology, keep watching and I'll show you how to set it up. So let's get started with a highlight text question. I'm going to start a new assessment to do that. First off, I'll enter in the basic information for the assessment. These settings we can go over in another video, so I'm just going to skip to the questions. And I'm going to add a highlight text question. I'm going to grab some text from another source, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it in. Having seen these displayed, they tend to be a little bit small, so I'm going to go ahead and increase our text size to 18 so it's a little bit easier to read on the screen. I'm also going to go to the top and add some directions. I'm going to make these a little bit bigger and change it to bold so that it's clear that these are the directions. So now that I have my text ready, I need to indicate what areas a student could possibly highlight. So now that I have my text ready, I want to set up what parts of the text they could possibly highlight. So I'm going to go to possible responses, and I have some options to quick highlight paragraphs, sentences, or words. In this case, since I'm going to have students highlighting sentences, I'm going to click sentence. We'll say that it's going to erase all existing highlights, which is fine because I don't have any yet. You'll notice little boxes go around all of the sentences. Since I don't want students trying to highlight the directions, I'm going to click on that, which that makes it an area they can no longer highlight. When I come down here, I'm going to select the sentences that describe the characters as indicated in the directions. I can also allow for partial credit, so if the students highlight some of the correct sentences, they can still get credit. I could also add a penalty in case they highlight things that are wrong. In this case, I'm not really going to worry about doing that. I could also add a learning objective to this assignment. Once I like that, I'm going to hit save. And my question is ready for students to interact with.